Crack your eggs into the bowl. Whisk your eggs. Add all your ingredients to the egg mixture. Turn the heat on high and wait for a boil. Okay, the water is boiling. Let's lower the heat before we add our eggs. And slowly mix. And we're going to stir this for a total of 2 minutes continuously. Continue to whisk, making sure that you're not going to burn your eggs. And now, let's cover. Sometimes you have a little bit of the egg mixture dripping on the pot. That's okay. Just make sure that you clean it. You can smell the eggs being cooked. Our 3 minutes is up. Let's turn off the heat. And then we're going to let it sit for another additional 3 minutes for it to set. You could see the jiggle. It's perfect. All right, it's ready. Let's open. And let's garnish with our green onions. And you're set, ready to eat. Let's take a taste.